5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Right to 130, left to long for 60, into left 4 plus past junction, 150 up the middle, right 2 plus continues for 150, 60, left 4 past junction, into right 2 plus continues for 150, into left 5 half long, past junction tight, 60, left 5 tight, 40, right 2 plus long, 60, down, left 4, right 5 plus, and right 3 plus long, 40, left 2, 100, downhill, slippy ahead, care, left 1 into right 8 plus, past junction, and left 4, 200, down the hill, turn, hairpin right, 130. Left 4 over crest and downhill to care, right 7 slowing into hairpin left barrier inside long and tightens past junction, 80, right 5 slowing tightens into turn hairpin right, 100, right 4 past shed, 40, right 4 again, 40, left 4 through dip, car off ahead, small crest into left 4 opens, continues for 100, and right 4, 60, right 2 plus 150, double caution, small crest, right 8 through dip past lane, 100, up the middle, left 5 long, 150, left 2 plus at bench, 80, left 2 over small crest, 40, care, right 3, 40, left 5 through dip and right 2 plus over flat crest, 130, right 3 and left 3 continues for 80, and left 4, care and crest, right 7 opens into right 2 long, 100 downhill, left 5 over bump, tighten late, 60, left 4 over bump, 170, slowing over small crest, 40, to turn left 9, and right 4, 60, turn hairpin left, and right 3 half long and left 2 plus over flat crest, 250, left 4, right 5 late long, 80, right 2 slippy ahead, 80 again to tight right 7 into right 5, opens, continues for 100, 80, care, hairpin left, opens, 200 up the middle, right 2 plus over crest jump, 60, left 2 plus long over crest flat, 130 down the middle, care deceptive, right 8 long, 40, big caution, right 8 tightens over crest, drop outside, Drop outside, 40, hairpin left, into, left 7, right 5. Into, left 3, 40, left 2, half long, 60, care, right 3 over crest, bump, drop outside, 40, small crest, middle, into right 3, long, into right 4, 150 up the middle, right 2, long, 170, left 2, plus, 200, so his left 2 plus, 200, bus stop chicane from the right hand side, 250, middle over crest bump, 100, care, right 2 and stay middle into turn hairpin left, 60, left 2 plus, 150, whoops. So here's left 2 plus, 150, left 3, 40, left 2 into right 3, care slow in, 40, right 7, don't cut, and left 7, and turn left 9 into right 7 plus. 60, care deceptive left 7, half long tightens, into hairpin left, drop outside, and hairpin right over finish, care log in, 80, you're through, well done.